Huh.
Alright, we're back. I've got everything final sanded on the inside. Sanded the back again. Just temporarily setting the face of this thing. You saw I sanded across the body this way, and then I also sanded the inside of the top with the flat bar. Just roughing the edges up again. I just like to have, you know, fairly fresh open grain, open scratches for a mechanical bond with the glue. Okay. Anyway, so what I'm doing is I'm just looking through this F-hole here, and I'm positioning this sticker, and it's I'm just doing it, you know, just trying to kind of parallel it to or in line with the main line here. So I think that's pretty good. I decided, I was originally thinking about doing, gluing this in with shellac, and that's what I decided to do. I mentioned hot high glue earlier, and I'm just thinking, like, there's no reason for me to do that. I mean, you know, I don't want to heat up glue just for the sake of the sticker here, the label. So, and I did indeed. Oh well, I guess that half is down. And pick this side up. Yeah, so it is movable. So I think I'll go that route. I want to make sure I get plenty under there, so I'll peel this side up again. It'll come up. Now it's already down there, so it doesn't take long apparently. And I did mention that I sprayed this with sanding sealer lacquer so that the water wouldn't, the ink wouldn't run. And it looked like I had a light spot where I maybe didn't have glue underneath there, so I thought I would reapply that, but it didn't go under. Don't really want there to be any color change where you can see through the F-hole, so I'm going to go out a little wider with this and seal around it, and then wipe off the excess. Considered actually sealing the whole inside of this with some shellac. If I ever do build an actual full-on acoustic out of wood, I did one out of Formica. I'm sure you've heard that before. So that I would seal the inside of an acoustic with shellac, at least a coat like that. I may go ahead and do this think about it a little bit before I put it all together. I don't think it would hurt from the moisture transfer side of things. Once this dries, I think it'll lighten, but we'll see, and that doesn't matter if it does or not. Put the top back on here and see before it has a chance to dry completely if it's somewhere close to what I thought it was. And yeah, it looks good in there. I don't know if nah, I'll do it sometime when it's handheld. Try to get a look in there. I want to let it dry first because I think it might look different. Once it dries, we'll see. And oh, I should have looked at that. I wasn't thinking. I am going to go down here a little bit. Just I'm going to go ahead and just seal that. I can't see how it could possibly hurt anything. It could only help. So, and I'm putting on an extremely thin layer, as you can see, since I'm putting it on and then wiping it right back off. All right, that's that side. The main reason I did that was I just didn't want the this one section of wood to absorb moisture or air climate changes differently than anything else back here. So these are the same now, so they will expand and contract uniformly, which was my concern when I just had part of it done. So that was the thing. I'll probably do the top as well, although it wouldn't and shouldn't make any difference. But if I want to keep the well, say it shouldn't, and then I'm going to explain why I might do it. Just in case there's any chance that the back and the top, might expand or contract at different rates because of that. The same thing, if you got moisture that could suck into that section. So I'm going to go ahead and do the top as well. Okay, I'm going to let this dry. I'm going to double check everything again really good before I actually commence on the glue up. I'm going to try to stay fairly light around the edges because I don't want a lot of squeeze out happening right here on the edges. I know I got plenty of glue here, so you can't get in there. Fortunately, you can't see this top edge without some sort of inspection mirror.